How to download Flight Delta app for flight booking and check-in. Ready to make your travel days a whole lot smoother. Let's get the Flight Delta app on your phone. First things first, open up your Google Play Store. It's right over here. Let's tap on it. And once you're inside it, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the search icon, which is in the bottom right corner. It's over here. Let's tap on it. Then tap on the search bar and search for Delta app right over here. After that, you'll see a list of results. It is usually the first result with the iconic red pointer-like structure. Go ahead and tap on the install, which is right over here. Let's tap on it. Once it's installed, you can do pretty much with everything right here from this app. Looking to book a trip? Tap the book a flight, pop into your cities and dates, and you will see all the options. It's that simple. I'm not going to show you the rest process as the whole video was about installing the app. So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.